Okay, the Acura brake light stand on. Here's the quick fix. Went to AutoZone, picked this up. It's like $9. Remove this panel. Turn this. Turn that. This starts that just comes down. Unplug this one. Just a little connector. Push that in. Pull it out. Same with this one. Hooks onto this one, and the other one hooks onto here. So now that's out of the way. The brake light stand on because put the light. This bumper, little stopper, broke off from right there. Push on the brake pedal. You'll see where it's supposed to be. Right there with it. Try to rig it with the zip tie. I'm gonna cut that off, put the bumper on. Okay. See, I'm gonna put the black one on there. This other one is hard plastic, not a lot of flex in it. The other one was more of a rubber, so I was able to go in the hole better. But that's it right there. What that does, pushes that button in, the sensor, and it tells the brakes light to turn off. Like that, to turn on, and that's it.